Hey, it's been a long couple days, but I'm back now.
Thank God you're back. We need your help.
Why? What's going on?
There's a spider in the bathroom and we need you to kill it.
Come on, a spider? You couldn't spray it?
We ain't got any spray that's gonna kill that baby. It's huge.
Yeah, it even tried to eat me, so we quit using the bathroom and we've been using the litter box.
The litter box? You've been using the litter box and you're sitting on the couch?
Yeah, and it's like quicksand now. I almost died in there too.
Don't worry, I saved
My buddy
him.
here
And when I
saved
pulled
me.
him out, I beat him like an old rug and all the granola stuff fell off of him. So we're good.
It didn't hurt too bad. Thanks, buddy. Appreciate it.
You really need to get rid of this spider. And you're gonna have a hell of a time cleaning up that litter box too. So see what you can do.
You guys are pansies. Let me go take a look at this spider, man. I can't believe you.
Whoa! Where's the litter box? I gotta use it.
You guys are idiots. That's not very nice. Remember when the bug guy would come knock on the door and they say, hey, I gotta use your garden hose to make my solution. And then he'd go make his solution, he'd come in, he'd spray for 10 minutes, and then charge me 30 bucks a blaze.
That guy's beard was awful. I remember that.
When nobody was looking, he threatened to spray me, and he thought that was really funny. I didn't find it funny.
Yeah, once I learned what he was using, that Demon WP, and I could buy 4 packets for 10 bucks, I could buy a year's supply for $30. That's when I fired him and started doing it myself. We got spray here that'll kill everything.
Well, that being the case, I highly recommend you get off that couch, you get in there, and you take care of that spider pronto.
Yeah, you need to listen to him because he knows everything. And I suggest you do what he says for the benefit of all of us.
This is a true story. 25 years ago, the exterminator did this to me every month. He'd always use my garden hose to make his solution, and he did one day leave a packet, his trash laying out in the yard. I picked that up. Demon WP. There's a list of 25 insects that this will take care of. This even does wasps. I think this bag's 10 bucks. There's 4 water-soluble packets in here. This can make anywhere from 2 gallons to 4 gallons, depending on how concentrated you want to make it. Just for household stuff, ants, things like that, I just do a light concentrate. But if I got to do wasps outside, I'll make this stuff really strong. Last thing you want to do is spray them, have them come down and try to sting you. Just get yourself a sprayer and make it as needed. You know, you get bugs in your house and you got to call the exterminator and make an appointment to come out. That doesn't cut it. You make your own instant response. That's what you need. Well, let me go get rid of this spider for these 2 jack wagons.
Man, what's taking him so long?
I don't know, maybe that spider bit him. Maybe you should go check on him, because if something happened to him, you got to provide dinner tonight and your cooking
No way.
sucks.
I'm going to give him a couple more minutes.
You truly are an a-hole. And you know what? I'm sure I'm a close second in the a-hole department, and it's all because of you.
Okay, I got that spider, you manly men. Ooh, that was hard.
Don't be playing with us. Are you sure you got that spider? Why don't you double check?
Let me check. I think we nailed it. Or I take that back. I think I nailed it. Nice job, Steve-O. Now that you got that spider all taken care of, can you take that litter box outside and clean it up real nice? We've only had it 2 days. I can take it back, get my 50 bucks back. And we wouldn't be lying saying the cat never used it because we don't have a cat. So can you jump on that and I'll go get my money back? Appreciate it. Cheers with an icy cold gin and tonic. I don't know if they let you make YouTube videos from prison, but the little guy's gonna get the exterminator fluid and the big guy's gonna get one of these. Thanks for watching. Hope to see ya